Okay. It is Crypto Faceless. I remain faceless. I remain nameless. Today, today's video is for my Zenians, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe, and share. Um, Start off with a market update. We're look at BTC's going nearly 40K. I think we topped out at 39.6 today. Um, yeah, I mean, I could have pretty much told you that we got a green monthly close on the month of November. If you know anything about technical analysis, you know that the higher time frames mean a lot more than lower time frames. So a weekly close is not the same as a monthly close. The fact that we got a green monthly close in November tells me that we're probably going to have more price appreciation in the next month or in the coming months, right? In the coming months, actually. Also, coupled with the fact that we are, a few months before the halving, and I always tell you guys every video, halving is up only. Pre-halving is up only. Okay. So my prediction, even though I don't like to, I don't like to do predictions, but I would say most likely we're looking at probably somewhere around a 50K BTC by the end of the year. I would say upper 40s is what I think that we'll actually accomplish by the end of the year, and then maybe we'll have a pullback coming into the new year in January. Okay, but generally speaking, pre-halving is up only. All right, look at the charts. Go back and look at every other bull run. Pre-halving is the time when we see the price of BTC going up and trying to retest those, previous highs. Okay, the previous highs of the last bull market. Right. So the last bull market we got up to 68 or 69K. So expect that around the halving time in April, we should be somewhere in that range. Okay, most likely getting back to the all-time high probably after the halving, shortly after the halving. Okay, could be before the halving as well, but usually it's like sometime after the halving. Anyway, let's get into Zen. What's going on in the Zenoverse? We got Jack taking legal action against the OKX, rightfully so, sending out cease and desists. Okay, um, obviously OKX infringed upon X1, the name that is X1, the layer one blockchain that Jack was building. And then Jack subsequently came out with the X1 token, the XONE zone or X1, whatever it's called. I'm not sure. I'm still not sure what that's called. It's a community token anyway. It's a community token airdrop. Okay, meant to be. It's actually really smart the way he did it. I think it's on a couple exchanges right now. I could be wrong. I think it was announced that it would be on a few exchanges, smaller exchanges. But besides the point, I think the idea was very smart. The idea behind the community coin X1 XONE was a way for Jack to kind of rally the troops, right? Rally everybody behind, going at OKX, and you know what I'm saying, like, he rallied the troops. Let me give you guys some free money, so you guys are happy. Airdrop, there you go, community token. And I saw some people actually angry about the tokenomics of this little community. I don't understand. Okay, it's a community token. It's an airdrop, right? It's free money. Like, why do you even care? Talking about half the supply is, in one wallet or what? Bruh, it's a community token. Who cares? Um, but the idea behind it, rally the troops. Everybody get behind the X1 name. Let's go after OKX. Like, I'm looking at, on Twitter, on X, and OKX can't even come out with a tweet to promote their blockchain or whatever their product is. They're calling X1. If you look at the comments, it's just the Zenians. It's just Zen people in the whole community is just like flooding all of their tweets. They can't even tweet about it. It's actually hilarious, and it's been going on for this whole time. So I think it was genius the way that Jack rallied the troops, give them a little free little coin, boom, have them help out the process, go off the OKX on Twitter, on X and social media, and everybody's saying basically, what I'm saying in the comments, you guys stole the name, X1 belongs to the Zen community, Xen Crypto, and really, to be honest, that's great advertisement. It's great free advertisement. I mean, this guy Jack is actually a genius when it comes to advertisement. The whole process of minting Zen and all that's advertising in itself. You know what I'm saying? When Zen gets minted on a blockchain, what I'm saying, it basically shuts down any blockchain, becomes the like the coin that gets the most usage and running up every blockchain. That's advertisement by itself. Now we've got the whole Zen community attacking OKX. That's advertisement in itself for X1 when X1 does come out. X1, the layer one blockchain that Jack has been building. He's been building this, layer one blockchain. And when that comes out, we want people to have their eyes on it. We want people to know what X1 is, because X1, the layer one X1, right? That is the bull run. I said this before. I said this previously. The bull run for Zen is the X1 333 auction. All right, it's going to be 333 days of auction, right, where people actually buy Zen off the market and then burn it. Because that's what's happening. They're going to buy Zen off the market and then they're going to burn it for 333 days. That's the bull run for Zen, right? Point blank, period. Zen is a different type of coin. You have to understand it's disinflationary. There is inflation. If you look at the chart, it's made to go down. If you look at the chart, it's made to go down. Okay, but when there is demand for Zen, that's when the price goes up. All right, I talked about this in previous videos. I said, guys, the way Zen goes up, because it's a unique coin, the way it goes up is there's a time, there's a demand factor, and there's also a gas fee, gas price factor. So when the gas prices are up consistently, you're not going to see people minting Zen. The other day, I think it was like 2 days ago, gas prices was like 130. I seen gas Ethereum Gwei at 130. Nobody minted Zen that day. I'm sure of it. And there's going to be a time very soon when we see consistently high gas prices. That's one of the reasons why people will stop minting and they'll just buy off the market. Another reason is demand. Okay, when Zen projects start coming out, people are going to actually buy it off the market so they can participate in those projects, because they have to burn Zen. They don't have any liquid Zen, and they can't mint it because you can't mint for a few days and get any significant amount of Zen. So you have to go and buy your portion off of the open market, which of course is going to increase the prices in. Okay, now Jack is doing that for us. The team is doing that for us. They said, Jack is very smart. We're not coming out with the 333 auction until we actually come out with the tech. All right, he's very smart. He doesn't want to get caught up by the SEC, which is a smart move. Let's come out with X1 first. All right, come out with the tech, put it out there, and then let's do the 333-day auction. Okay, that's what Jack said he's going to do. He said it's going to come out Q1 or Q2, which is right around the halving. Right? Remember, halving is April 2024, the beginning of Q2. Okay, so which I told you guys in the beginning, nothing's really going to pop off for Zen until the halving, guys. I've been saying that. So Jack confirmed that. Boom, we're not coming out with the 333 auction until the halving or after the halving. That's the bull run. 333 days of demand, buy pressure, burn pressure. Like, it's just the ultimate, mix of everything, the culmination of everything coming together. We talk about high gas fees. When do the high gas fees come? After the halving, during the bull run, right? That's when the high gas fees come. When is the demand coming? Well, when X1 comes out during the 333 auction, that's when we see all of the major buy pressure and then burn pressure, because they have to buy it off the market and they also have to burn it for X1. All right, so we're gonna see buy pressure, burn pressure, nobody minting. Oh man, it's just like the perfect recipe for price appreciation. Perfect recipe. All right, and that's what we're gonna see soon, guys. It's gonna be soon, but don't expect it before the halving. Okay, any price appreciation we get before the halving is a plus. I'm not saying the price won't go up before the halving. It will, but it's a plus. Okay, it's not the bull run. The bull run for Zen is going to be the 333 auction whenever it starts. And I believe he said Q1 or Q2 of 2024. All right, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm out.